Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's paint a snowy wintry scene tonight as winter is already here. My paper is Archie's 300 GSM rough and my paints are from Daniel Smith. Right now I am wetting the background sky area with a flat brush. You can get the sketch and the reference from the link I will be pasting in the description below. For more intricate and detailed painting, you can be my patron. The link is in pinned comment. With soft aqua round brush, I am painting the horizon area with yellow ochre. Wet on wet. I am painting at the base and letting the paint move upward. My board is 15 degrees tilted. I am covering the surrounding areas of yellow ochre with queen purple before applying any kind of blue to prevent the formation of green. The video is in 4x speed that you can reduce to normal real time by changing the settings. Now put phthalo blue red shade with same round brush in horizontal strokes in the white areas and blend them properly. I am extra cautious here to prevent the mixing of blue with the yellow, darkening the horizon area with orange. My paper is now 50% dry. Now I am going to paint the forest behind with perylene green. You have to paint it with vertical strokes very carefully and slowly, not to disturb the layers below. If you are in confusion, then please let the first layer dry and re-wet the paper and paint the vegetation. Mixing some neutral tint with perylene green will give the depth to the forest. For the illuminated windows, I am just putting some lemon yellow over there. I want the hut in reddish brown color, so I will be mixing sepia and scarlet. My brush is Heritage Round number 10. I am painting all the wooden huts I can see in the reference. For the stream, I have to paint in reverse. First yellow, then purple and then blue. And for the shadow of the house and the vegetations, I have to put perylene green and sepia. The stream is painted totally wet and dry. trick here for realistic water is to blend this color properly and to make some wave-like impression over it. Making the waves with somewhat thicker paint over the previous layer wet on wet. Right where the vegetations are, there we have to paint the darkest shadows. I am applying neutral tint for that. To demarcate the horizon, I am putting diluted ultramarine. Now paint some branches and stem of the trees with neutral tint or sepia mixed with neutral tint. You can also paint the fences with the same color. For the snow covered field, I am just using ultramarine. Now paint the shadow of the trees where they are located at the ground, and you are almost done. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe my channel for my next update. In my next video, till then, stay blessed, stay happy.